A3i stands for Address Analyzer with Artificial Intelligence. The A3i system integrates the US Address NLP Python library with pre- and post-processing in an RDBMS environment, achieving high adaptability, success rates, and performance. Access to A3i is handled through a secure REST API. The A3i system is not your standard address parser, but rather a modular system comprised of 3 parts: address parsing, location validation, and geocoding. In this public test version, geocoding has been disabled, but basic location validation is enabled. The web UI consists of a state selector, source address box, and analysis output box. The state selector is used to perform basic location validation for census-designated places, incorporated municipalities, and counties. The source address box is where we input our fully qualified addresses, 1 address per line. Here we have an assortment of civic addresses in Arizona with different address components. The minimum form is street number, street name, and place name. Let us hit parse and examine the result. The results are shown in the Analysis Results window. We can expand each entry individually to see how the system parsed the source address. Let's investigate a couple of entries. Notice how the system has been configured to recognize non-standard direction components, such as EB for eastbound. Even though we didn't pass the state of Arizona in the input, the returned standardized address has a state included. Looking at this record, we can see that the A3i system recognized CR as an acceptable alias for county road and returned the standardized value of county road. Once again, we did not pass Arizona in the input, but the A3i platform returned the standardized address with the state included. Notice how here our source address contained an error. We passed Tampa, Arizona instead of Tempe, Arizona. While we can see the results parsed successfully, we got an error code of E and a message of place name not found. This is because the location validation function determined that no location of Tampa exists in Arizona. A3i is ready to serve your address management needs, including statewide standard addresses, National Address Database, or NG911.